Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I just wanted to share, I just got this IC card in the mail, and it is from Lisa, sorry Lisa, Lisa Marie Balzeret. I could be butchering it, I'm sorry. But she, this is the story. She goes, "Hi Tereese, the cat stole your IC card. No, really. I couldn't find it. I pretty much gave up. I moved the microwave cart and bam, there it was. Oh well, at least you have one from me." Oh no. Look at this card. Isn't that so? I think this is a I want to say it's a napkin that she Mod Podge on this, and it's so pretty. I love it, Lisa. It is beautiful, and you know, I'm so glad I got this. I'm going to take your card out because it has your information. Oh my god, there's even more information on here. Oh, so this is the back of it, and she made it into a pocket. So pretty. I love this lace. It's so pretty. Okay, so she, oh, you're 2 years older than I am. Lisa, Marie Balzret. I'm butchering it. I know it. She lives in Texas. She gave me her email, her address, to YouTube. She has 2 YouTubes. Wow, Lisa Balzret, and 3 Black Cats Crochet. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to check that out. Do you do crochet videos, Lisa? Oh my gosh. Okay, so she has an Instagram. Oh wow, cool. I'm gonna have to check that out too. I'm not sure if I'm sub to you. She has 2 grown kids, Brianna and Steven, son-in-law Roland, 2 granddaughters, Rosemary and Lily. She has pets, 2 German boxers and German Shepherd, and 7 cats. Holy smacks. Whoa. Wow. She's been married to Greg since 2011. Her favorite colors are blue, yellow, and peach. She loves to cross stitch, crochet, junk journals, cards, like to try everything. Oh my god, I love all that too. I used to, when I was younger, I used to crochet. No, sorry. I used to cross stitch. I did a lot of cross stitching as a teenager. So crochet, it just came, not naturally, but it took a lot of practice. Her style is shabby chic, girly, sweet, country. I enjoy coloring, but I'm not very good at it. Practice makes perfect, Lisa. Believe me, I know. I don't think I'm great at it, but I know if I continue making it, I will get better. She loves coffee and tea. My favorite magical creature are fairies. I'd be lost without my glue gun. Oh, thank you so much, Lisa. This is so fun. I'm so sorry your cat got a hold of it. Well, good thing he didn't, or he or she didn't ruin it, because it is just absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to come on and share that IC with you guys, and thanks everyone for stopping by. And I got my camera the right way, so my husband is a miracle worker. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, Lisa. Bye.